never liked a lady, but all she does, she barely notice you. Here are some ways that we can use to flip the script from you chasing her to she chasing you, even if she's not interested yet. So if you know that this resonates with what you want to learn from, so please stay tuned to the end of today's video. Number one is what? Stop oversharing. I can't overemphasize to say this, that stop oversharing. As guys, not that you meet somebody for the first time, you're already telling the person you want to do this, you want to do that, you want to do this, you want to do that, oh, this is what I have for you. You are not even expressing your emotions. You're already saying your future plan for the next 10 years, your business plan, what you want to do, the money you have, everything you want to achieve, and I'm like, come on, stop oversharing. That's a lot. That's a lot for the woman to apprehend. Yes, I know that there will definitely be a point, okay, for you guys to talk about all of those things, but I'm just saying that stop oversharing. What you need to share that is important, share it, and what is not needed, just stop it. Stop oversharing information. When you overshare information, sometimes the lady gets to know that, okay, she might not even be interested in you per se. It might be your money or any other thing she's interested in. But because you have jabber, you have fall, your mouth is too, you're just you see everything as a guy. Come on now, you are a guy. You shouldn't talk too much. Stop oversharing details with that lady. You know she's not yet interested. Stop oversharing, okay? Let's move to the next one. How to make a woman chase you, number 2, is that you need to build value for yourself. See, I have seen situations where, like, a lady, maybe a guy asked a lady out before, and then it's like, I can't date you because you don't look like somebody that is responsible, you don't have a life, you don't have any value you are giving, you're just there, you don't have anything you're doing, you don't have any value you're adding to the person. Come on now, I'm saying that, okay? So you need to what? Be a man of value. You need to be a man of value. You need to have something, because you need money. Also, you need money to keep a lady. You need money, you need love, you need money at the same time. But I'm just saying that you also create value, not just be there. It might not necessarily be that she wants to notice you, but create value. As you're creating value, she might notice you, okay? Even if it's a group, volunteer, do things, let her, she will see you definitely one day. But if you're not saying anything and you're just even hiding yourself, and she has not even noticed you, so I don't know how you're going to do it. So you must be a man of value. If you want a woman, that lady to actually come and chase you, okay? Be a person of value. Get something doing, okay? Get something doing. Go and learn a skill. Do something for yourself. And then she's gonna come running after you. I promise you that. Very third one. Before I say this third one, please, if you have not subscribed, please, I need you to subscribe. I need you to like my video. I need you to give me thumbs up, because when you give me thumbs up, YouTube recommend this video to more people. So I need you to please subscribe. So as we move to the next point is detachment. See, the moment she knows that you are desperate, that's why you see that sometimes when, maybe for example, you meet a lady for the very first time, you liked her, she resonates with everything you want, but if you start calling, like, just give her some few days before you start calling her. Let's say she also like you. Let's say you're a person with value. Let's say that you are not oversharing, and then she sees you like someone that resonates with what was saying, and then she's like, okay, fine. Like, don't be in a hurry to be desperate. Like, don't be desperate. If you collect a lady's number, don't call her that day. Give her like 2-3 days. Let her be curious. Let her one more, like, before you start calling. Not that you pick somebody's number today and you're already calling the person. The next day you are calling. Calm down, relax, okay? You must easily detach yourself from your emotions. I know you like that lady, fine. I know everything. You know that this lady, I really want her for myself. I'm not disputing that fact, but I am just saying that you should look for a way to detach yourself, because the moment she knows that you are desperate to get her, she will play along. So in most cases they will play along and it might not end well. So Don't be too desperate. Detach yourself for a while. If she says no, try to detach yourself for a while. See the way she will behave before you now go back again and say, let me try again, maybe it will work. Not that every day, give me response. I see some guys, I remember then when before I started dating my husband and all of that, I'm like, okay, give me this time for me to think about it or for me to pray about it. And then the next day you're already calling me. No, that's not it. If I'm saying give me time, please give me the necessary time I need. Not that you now say no, I have to be calling you, I have to be trying all my best because I want to get you out. The moment she knows you're desperate, my dear, it's not going to work, because she will even be irritated sometimes even by your desperation. So if with these 3 points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you that you can actually be chased by a woman. That's if you can just follow these 3 things I just said. Okay, see you in my next one. And also go to the comment section. I need you to drop, what do you think? How do you think that a lady can now come back to chase you? Someone you like that barely notice you now come back to chase you. How do you think that is possible? If you say that is possible, I want you to go to the comment section and say 100 is possible. So once I see your 100, I know that you're saying it's possible. So see you in my next one, and bye for now. Hello.